Meet the giants of the ETF world. Some ETFs aren't just popular, they're legendary. Here are the top 10 by size, what they hold, why they matter, and who's buying them. Let's dive in. SPY is one of the largest and most popular ETFs in the world. It tracks the S&P 500 index, which represents the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the United States. iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF EM is an ETF that aims to track the performance of emerging market economies, offering investors exposure to fast-growing but riskier markets outside the US. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF VTI is a broad market ETF that gives investors exposure to the entire US stock market, from large cap to small cap companies. Invesco QQQ Trust. QQQ is a popular ETF that tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, giving exposure to 100 of the largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ. iShares Russell 2000 ETF IWM. IWM is an ETF that tracks the Russell 2000 index, which includes 2,000 small-cap US companies. It's a way to invest in the small but potential companies segment. Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets ETF VEA. VEA is an ETF that provides exposure to developed markets outside the US, such as Europe, Japan, Canada, and Australia. iShares Core US Aggregate Bond ETF AGG. AGG is a bond ETF that offers broad exposure to the US investment-grade bond market, making it a popular choice for more conservative or income-focused investors. Schwab US Broad Market ETF, SCHB. SCHB is a low-cost ETF that offers exposure to the entire US stock market, from large companies like Apple to smaller, lesser-known firms. iShares Global Clean Energy ETF, ICLN. ICLN is a thematic ETF that invests in clean and renewable energy companies around the world. It's popular among investors who want exposure to the green energy transition. SPDR Gold Shares ETF, GLD. GLD is one of the most popular ETFs for investors who want direct exposure to gold prices without physically owning any gold.